guys, my name is Emilie.McKennon. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today we are taking a look at an all-new 2019 Winnebago Navion, and today's floor plan is a 24D. This is kind of a B+ van. We are on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, diesel engine V6. We are at 188 horsepower with 325 foot-pounds of torque. You got a nice amount of storage there. We have a 3600 LP awning generator. A really nice tankless water heater by Truma. Really nice feature to have in a coach for this size. A little bit of extra storage right there. Winnebago does a really good job at hiding storage wherever they can. A full ladder to inspect your roof. 5,000 pound towing capacity, backup camera, beautiful Navion logo with the Winnebago logo, along with the Guaranty sticker there. Black tank flush, all your goodies there. Let's go around the inside and I'll show you the floor plan. All right, hi guys. Again, my name is Emily and we are inside of the Winnebago Navion 2019. This floor plan is the 24D. So I want to show you, let's do the kitchen, the bathroom real quick. I'll start from the back here and then work my way up to the front. Nice little size bathroom. I really like the high gloss that they put on all the cabinetry. It makes it look beautiful, modern, clean look. You got a Norcold fridge here, 2-door. You've got, oh, sorry, might want to come around this way, sorry. Nice big pull-out pantry with 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers here that you can hide all of your favorite foods that you like to take camping. Really nice hinge work on the cabinet, really nice wood door there. All of your fun buttons to play around with, your slide outs, water heater. You've got a convection microwave oven. A 2-burner stove, which is pretty much all you need for a coach this size when you're camping. That size of stoves makes it so that you can have lots of cabinet counter space here to do your prep work. A nice double stainless steel sink with a beautiful faucet with an extension. Locking cabinets. There we go. And then a nice TV right here so you can sit down and watch some television in the morning with your cup of coffee. Beautiful window that they put there. Lots of cabinet space here as well. And then you kind of have this height of sofa bed. And it's electric. So, there we go. So no back-breaking work. The mattress is already in there for you. So when you're ready to take a nap or fall asleep for the evening, just fold it down and then check it out. Folds right back up. There we go. And then we just put the feet in. All right, again, my name is Emilie.McKennon. If you want to learn more about this coach or any other coaches that we have on our inventory, please give me a call here at Guaranty in Junction City. The number you can reach me at is 541-998-1148, extension 2519. And until next time, enjoy the road.